Careful, this quiz might surprise you. Which pink bird often stands on one leg? A. Heron. B. Flamingo. C. Stork. D. Pelican. E. Egret. Correct answer is B. Flamingo. Which mammal uses echolocation to find prey at night? A. Whale. B. Seal. C. Fox. D. Bat. E. Otter. Correct answer is D. Bat. Which large whale is known for its long, complex songs? A. Orca. B. Blue whale. C. Sperm whale. D. Humpback whale. E. Gray whale. Correct answer is D. Humpback whale. Now it's time to see how well you did. How many questions did you get right? Tell us in the comments. Share and challenge your friends to see who gets the most right. Don't forget to follow us and see you in the next challenge.